Hi, this is Cherie with Rehash Fiber. I have got a great weekend project for you. This is the Lola Market Bag by Deni Sharpe of DeniMade. And this is the second time that I've done this pattern. I have enjoyed it so much, and I don't normally do that. The first time I used big chunky yarn, and it ended up being a big, crazy, wonderful bag that just looks really cool. But I wanted to do it again with smaller, more organized yarn and go for a different look. So this is how my second bag came out. The coral is a merino blend, and it's been so long I do not even remember where I got that fiber from. And the middle is hand spun, hand dyed by me. So it was really great. The first one was to be a gift, and I ended up liking it so much I kept it. This one is to be a gift too, and I am going to give it away, but I like it so much I'm going to make another one just like it for myself. It's just a great bag. It's not heavy, but it is sturdy, and it'll hold just enough stuff to go to the farmer's market, and it's just a whole lot of fun. So there were a couple of stitches that when I made it the first time, I did have to look them up. It's the modified puff stitch and the cross double crochet. So what I'm going to do is show you how to do those right now, so you have all this information in one place. To do a cross double crochet, it's like a double crochet, but you're going to cross two of them. So you're going to do a yarn over, and instead of being in the very next stitch, you're going to skip that one and you're going to go over one, and you're going to do a double crochet into that. Now you're going to double crochet into the stitch that you skipped. And that creates the crisscross effect. We're going to do one more. We're going to skip and work into this one. Then we're going to do a double crochet into the one we skipped. And that is how you do the cross double crochet. Now we're going to do the modified puff stitch. You do it into the previous row that was the cross double crochet. So what we're going to do is we're going to start a double crochet stitch, and we're going to do it right into the space between the cross double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, go into the chain space, pull through, you're going to yarn over and pull through two loops. Instead of finishing that double crochet, we're going to do another one. Yarn over, go into the chain space, pull through, yarn over, pull through two. We're going to do a third. Yarn over, go into the chain space, pull through, yarn over, pull through two. Now there's 4 loops on the hook. You want to yarn over and pull through all 4. Then you want to do one more chain to lock that in place. All right, we're going to do one more. We're going to go over to the next cross double crochet. We're going to work into that space. We're going to yarn over, go into the yarn space, pull through, yarn over, pull through two. Yarn over into the chain space, pull through, yarn over, pull through two. Yarn over into chain space, pull through, yarn over, pull through two. Now yarn over and pull through all 4 stitches. Do one more to lock it in. And there you have your modified puff stitch. I hope you enjoy making your Lola Market Bag. Thanks for watching, and happy crocheting.